So yeah, I take my sales here because this is what I've seen. Seen price make a new low in the market. I take sales under this level. Stop loss above this, so this is what it looked like. Well, this is what it looked like. Short position under this level. Stop loss on the swing low. Target. Boom. This is overall 1 is to 3.28. So we'll see how this thing will go. Yeah. Going to put one alert here. Just let it ride for the meantime. So already under that level. The next level of buyers will be here, and we might find some level of buyers here too, but we'll see how this thing will go. With also another one here. So this is the update for the trade of that we take on gold sales. We're still in the process. We're still in the run, and I don't know what could happen here. We just let it ride for now, and I do have my alerts. Let me put one here. Let me put this down here so that I know the comebacks if we get hit. And yeah, today is Saturday, the market is closed, and we'll see. We just take a day off the charts and just let it ride, man. Probably stitch up some videos for the reflection of Sunday, and yeah, we'll see what could happen. Anything can happen here. Anything can happen here. We don't know, or we don't need to know what would happen next in order to make money, because you can always make money out of something regardless of making any error or what. But for now, just let it ride, let it be. Let the market comes to our desired. We'll see what would happen here. Can't really control anything here, man. I just take my edge and let the probability of the outcome come out of each trade. So yeah, we'll see. So for today, peace out. So as you all can see, bro, after about how many? Thursday? Wait, let me see. When did I put the trade on? I put my entry around, yeah, what day is it? Thursday, bro, and today is Wednesday. So how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4 business days before we get the result of our trade. So yeah, this is pretty much a successful trade, and now I'm out of this trade. We are hit our TP, our final TP, which is this swing low here. And yeah, it's about $200, $210, and I'm risking about $55. So that's pretty much 1:4, 1:4, or 1:3.8, something like that. So let me clear my charts out again. So we do have our lowest point here, right? I'm gonna do the analysis on the new one, but let me pull up again and identify my entry points. Remember that we enter under this level because this is a swing low. Yeah, we enter from this and then targeting this level, and that one is a successful one. Yeah, we need to stay objective for the next setup, but I'm pretty much good for the day, bro. I mean for the week. But we'll see if we'll find another setup or we just let it build another setup, man. Now let's just do its thing. So yeah. So what's up? After that successful trade, that successful sell that we take on Wednesday was last week. We ended up hitting our TP yesterday. I mean, I take my sales on Thursday, last week, and then I hit my TP yesterday, which is Wednesday, and today is another Thursday, June 25. So you all can see here in the top left, Thursday, June 25, 8:34 a.m. It is Asia session, so I wouldn't expect that much volume. And I'm just going to analyze it and take notes of the key points that I've noticed in the current moment and in the past moment in the higher time frame, and just pretty much all being objective with whatever could possibly happen, man, and what's the buyer's perspective and seller's perspective are at this point. So now after breaking the swing low, price are currently on a indication pace, which is we can do pretty much something because we can only say that the indication is done after it finds a level of, in this case it finds a level of buyers, and then it goes up, it breaks structure, and then whenever price started to build structure again in a downtrend, that's the end of the correction. And then now we are in a continuation level where price could go down again where it goes. So yeah, that's pretty much explain ICC. Now I can really do something in here, but anything can happen here. And I don't need to know what will happen next in order to make money, man. I just let it ride, let things happen. So I can see that we do have our lower high in here, another lower high here, and this is where it broke, we break a level where buyers are sitting at, so I'm going to put alert here. Okay, one there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And now I'm just going to wait for my alert to hit, or let the price find its level of strong buyers in order for it to correct or something, or make a confirmation. But that's on the seller's perspective, alright? On the buyer's perspective is whenever I've seen price break this swing high, break this swing high, swing lower high, when price break this zone, this and this, I can pretty much say that there is a possibility that it is changing trends, and I can confirm it by having a confirmation by making some type of higher low, or making some type of multiple higher low, something like that. So I can't really tell what could happen here, because there's a lot of possibilities, there's a lot of variables that are included in order for me to tell that, and I can't really perceive anything in the market, man, because of it is a pattern of a behavioral actions, or the mindset of each and every one traders that participate in this sell trade and in the buy trade. And yeah, I can really control here. I have no control over this one, so I pretty much now be patient and look at other perspective. Daily time frame, same thing. We just broke this swing low, so we'll see if we're going to close below that. And take note that if you look at it in a weekly, we are currently still above a level of swing high, swing low, so there is still a possibility the price could push up. There's still a possibility on that one, but whenever price break this level, there's a higher probability that it can go here to 3,300, bruh, even 3,100. I mean 200. It can go to these two levels, man, whenever price break under this swing low. Because this is the next level of sellers, man. But yeah, like what I've said, we'll see what will happen here. We can't really control or do anything about it, so we also need to put this in our mind. We just break a swing high on a weekly time frame, so we need the daily to correlate with that. But it may take some time, but we need to put that in our consideration, man. So yeah, that's pretty much my analysis for gold right now. And now let me change pairs and go to Euro USD if I can find any setup here. So in here, let me remove things and go to the daily. On the daily time frame, we can also see that we are under a level of swing low, which is a higher probability of sellers. Okay, we are under swing low with a multiple lower high. Okay, I can see that one. And now it's just getting bearish, getting down, and same thing on gold. I'm going to wait for it to correct and confirms, but as long as this swing low, swing high is not broken, there's still a higher probability that sellers are in control, and I can only confirm that when price confirms it by making some type of another lower high, and then or multiple lower high, and then getting back under this level. So mind you that we are looking at the daily time frame, but if you look at the 4-hour, we can see more details about it. So this is what I've seen in the 4-hour. Also breaking lows here, also breaking lows here, and then we do have our little swing low here, swing high that are maintaining. So yeah, I'm going to mark that up, and now we just let it do its thing and be patient about it. It's pretty much Thursday, so we'll see. We don't know what will happen here. Anything can happen here, and every moment is unique, so I'm not going to sit down here and sit down and watch it all day. I'm going to half off the charts and do my thing. That's pretty much all for today, Thursday. So we'll see on New York session or London session if we get any setup. So peace out, brother. Keep being consistent, man. Keep going. Maximize your input, man. Maximize your input. Do the things that matters.